How I'm feeling. Okay. Long-haired border collie, and it is. All right. So you communicate with past ones, and I actually communicate with my own dog, just so you know, and she's alive. It's glow in the dark, Mel. It's glow in the dark. Whoever is claiming this, did you used to throw a blue frisbee? Did you used to throw a blue frisbee? Is everything okay? Yeah, mate, look, everything's fine. I just feel like the feeling that I'm getting is someone's coming down. Someone's like a bit tweaky, because I recognize this, like this itch, this fucking like jittery itch feeling, and I've had it twice now. I've had it twice. And they've been on lives when I've channeled fucking tweakers. I don't like it. This is not someone who I'm channeling who's a spirit. This feels more alive. It feels like there's something crawling like on my fucking skin. I don't like it. I have a long-haired border collie. Yeah, but this is a blue frisbee. I'm seeing a light blue, like a sky blue, baby blue, whatever you want to call it, frisbee. Okay, I'm pretty sure it was a do I know the name of the dog? Oh, I can probably tell you its weight, its gender, what food it eats. No, I'm only joking, Irene. I can't fucking tell you that just yet. It's a bit early. Come on, give me a break. Yeah, yeah. I know. It's not about the evil. I think it's a someone's either made a drawn a connection with me, or I have a connection already with them, whoever the fuck it is. Because I do have a lot of like people in my life who I'm either related to biologically, or I'm friends with, and connected to on a spiritual sort of level as well, who unfortunately may or may not partake in that sort of shit. Yes, children come to me as well, but I'm not doing that right now. But thank you. Yeah, so blue frisbee. Do I reach out to people? No, I don't. So if anyone's messaging you guys, it's not me. I don't ask anyone if they want a reading via text message or DM or whatever the fuck you want to call it. That's not me. So block that motherfucker. All right? Tell them to suck your big fat one. Chew on this, cunt. That's what you should say. Just get them, just say, let me feed this into your mouth. I'm going to crack a fat and snap your neck. Do that. All right? Trust me, it goes down really well. Yeah, it's not me. Okay, this person, I do have border collies. I don't have border collies. I have Aussies, Australian shepherds. This is a long-haired border collie. This is actually a long-haired border collie. With heterochromia. Is anyone claiming this border collie, long hair, with heterochromia? It's pretty fucking specific, actually. I can't imagine there'd be too many people out of 173 that would have a long-haired border collie that has heterochromia and it's only used to throw a light blue frisbee. And I actually have a feeling, that this particular person may have either driven or someone drove a white sedan or hatchback that the dog used to travel in. Play with the blue frisbee. Long hair border collie, play with blue frisbee, just so people know. Thank you. Thanks, Michelle. Yeah, and heterochromia. The dog had The dog had two different coloured eyes, okay? So the eye colours were different. So for those of you who don't actually know what heterochromia is, it's when your eye colours are different. Usually one of the colours is like a blue or like a grey, the pigment is gone, and the other one is brown, green, some other colour, all right? And the other one, so blue is actually a lack of pigment, and then you got grey, which is a lack of, it's completely non-existent, okay? But heterochromia is usually like a green or a brown eye, because that's pigment, and the other eye is blue or grey, which is no pigment or a lack of colour. Because blue is actually, it's classed as an anomaly, an abnormality. Just so you're aware. Just so you're aware. I'm not saying you're fucking abnormal, all right? I'm just saying it's classed as one, because it's actually, brown is quite dominant, all right? So it's heterochromia. Just in regards to the weird feeling, do you know what Duromine is? I do know what Duromine is. I know exactly what it is, but this is not Duromine. I've actually had Duromine once upon a time in my life. This is not Duromine. It's not speed. It feels like meth. Not that I've had meth. I've had stuff that has meth in it, medications, like methylphenidate, you know. So, but this doesn't feel like that. Could it be spirit animal? No, this is not a spirit animal. This is actually a fucking real life. Like, it was either alive or it either is or was alive. It was a lady owner, an older lady. She had mousy grey hair, curly. Well, if no one owns it, then I'll just fucking move on. Black and white. It's black and white, not tri. Black and white. It's a black and white border collie, long haired. Cat is owning it. Is she? All right, Stacey. Take care, love. Look after yourself. You had one as a kid. Did you have the blue frisbee? Did someone have a blue frisbee? And was it your mum's dog or your grandmother's dog or someone? I don't know. Whoever you lived with. My sister has a black and white border collie, but with brown eyes. Nah, heterochromia. He was a farmer dog. Yeah, he was a farm dog. Yeah, okay. Okay. All right. What did I say about the woman? She was an older lady with curly grey hair, mousy grey hair. Oh, fuck. But she kind of looks like she had like 3 generations or 2 generations of some sort of like European cat. Does your family come from like a European? Yeah, you heard that too, didn't you? Fuck. You heard that as well. Hey, Kat. Was your family? Did they come from New Zealand and Scotland? Okay, because I can see the woman. The woman looks like she has some sort of other culture, some sort of other nationality. Because there's a woman that's with this dog, or she's connected to this dog. It was loud. You know who she reminds me of? Can I just ask Kat? I'll tell you who she reminds me of. I'm going to show you Mrs. Mangle. She reminds me of Mrs. Mangle. A little bit. I'm going to show you. My great auntie used to feed the working dogs. All right, I'm going to show you Mrs. Mangle. All right. No, not long hair. She looked a little bit like this, Cat. All right. It's not exact, all right? This is not exact. This is just a reference. This is just something that she kind of looks like, okay? That's Mrs. Mangle. All right, Cat? See the hair? It's like a mousy grey hair, okay? Look. See it? See that? That's who the woman reminds me of, but her skin tone is probably slightly darker in skin. Slightly, yeah. That's the hairstyle that I'm seeing, yeah? That's the hairstyle that I'm seeing. So I feel like this woman is connected to the dog somehow. Did she used to play with the border collie, Cat? Did she used to play with this border collie? He used to get out all the time. He's a cunt, this dog. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate the gifts, guys, and she always used to chase him around. Yeah, okay. So that's why it looks like that. She used to play with him because in his mind, he was playing. In his mind, he was playing. Okay. Kat, question. Did this dog, this particular dog, did it have a remarkable sort of character, sense of humour, as though it used to play hide and seek with people, or it would hide and it would come out and sort of scare people, like, you know, it would muck around? Did this dog used to do that? Like in the house or outside, it would hide, and when you would be coming around, it would fucking jump out and scare you. Mucking around, literally. Fucking remarkable, actually. He used to terrorise my dad and uncle, yeah. Yeah. He used to play hide and seek. He fucking terrorised people. He was a funny dog. Loads of character. Loads of character. Nova Scotia girl. Good morning from Canada. From Canada. Who's Jay? Hello, Jay. Welcome. Thank you for the rose. I appreciate your kindness. G'day from Australia. Me too, mate. Me too. I was a bad influence on the dog. Were you, though? I think the dog was just a little bastard. He was little bastard. Yeah. No, he had a lot of character. Did you ever hear about a story of the dog jumping on top of the tractor or standing on the tractor? Yeah, Gold Coast, same. Me too. Gold Coast, right now. That's me. We were not meant to play with the working dogs when we were kids. Yes, but this dog was special. He was different. He used to stand on a tractor whilst it was in motion. On the hood, on the bonnet. Rabina, Jay. I'm in Rabina. If you say you're in Rabina, I'll fucking laugh. I don't reckon you are. I reckon you're probably at Pimpamar. No, I'm only joking. I don't know where you are. I have no idea where you are. Yep. On the tractor while it's moving. I can see it. I can actually see the dog standing on the tractor while it's moving. I used to live in Pack Pines. Fucking Pack Pines. Labrador. Go Frank Street, brah. No, I'm kidding. Labrador's a nice place now. Used to be a shithole when I first moved here. But it's actually a nice place now. It's moving up in the world. It is. Like Nerang. Everyone used to fucking give Nerang shit, man. I used to as well. Nerang. But it's actually quite a good area now. They've really done a lot with it, you know. Labrador, they've done a lot with Labrador. I've seen they're really building it up. Oh, this dog is actually really fucking cool. This dog is really, really cool. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, and orangutans. Yeah, fucking oath. Yeah, no, I'm in the I'm in the Rabina area. Little bastard. Your cousin lives in Nerang. Is that Chelsea, my mate? Hang on, which Chelsea is this? Oh, I don't know which Chelsea this is. It could be put some respect on Narang's name. No, not you, Chels. I'm wondering if this is Chelsea. I'm wondering if this is Chelsea from the kid's mum, her workplace. It could be. I can't remember. It could be that Chelsea from the kid's mum's workplace. No, different one. Okay. Well, you're Chelsea number 3 then, because Chelsea number 2 is the one that works with. Well, you'd know because I've come into the store when you're there. If you're that Chelsea, I'm Lentil Queen. I don't know you, bro. Sweet as bro. You're number 1. It's Juan. You're number 1. I am number 1. Anyway, I don't know, actually, S&B sales. I've actually never had anyone give me a fucking reading. No, that's not true. I have. Well, I'm in the middle of one right now, to be honest. I'm actually in the middle of one right now. Who? Cat? It is a sick hoodie, eh? It's a fucking mad hoodie, man. I love it. It's a mad hoodie. I actually love it. It's like sick as. Yo. You're a medium. You could give me one. Yeah. No. Look. To be honest, I don't actually go and get readings. I don't know why. I just don't get them. I don't know. Trying to keep up with the comments. No, that's okay. Kat, when you were little, when you were a kid and this dog was around, was there a time where you were crying, okay, and you were communicating with your dog whilst you were crying, or you were sharing your feelings and your emotions and maybe even a bit of a secret? You told the dog something. I would probably say you did. You told the dog something. You shared your feelings and emotions. When you were a kid, this was quite significant. Hang on. Just some Fajella lollies because I like them. Kat, that property that you were on, all right, that property that you were on, it's for Kat, not Nita. Was there a fire on that property? In one of the, like a barn or something? There was a fire. The maze pit. Did one of the boys get hurt? One of the men, the uncle, the brother, the father, someone. Did one of the boys get hurt? The uncle got burnt on his arm. Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. You don't need to do that, but I appreciate it. Rightio, nerd. Take care, Red. Love ya. They're so good, Jess. So good. Why do I recognise you? I don't know why I recognise you. You look familiar. Ha! Yeah. That's all right. It's a good one, eh? Cat. Did an important male figure in your life go absent? An important male figure in your life? Did they go absent? Hello, Janelle. Specifically like a father? Ooh. Should I put 3 letters on my parents' grave? What do you want, permission? Sure, do it. Yeah. Definitely feel that. Yeah. Yeah, the father is the one that I'm talking about. Oh yeah, Mary. She's not in. She's not in Aussie. She's not in the US. She's in. She's in New Zealand. Just so you know. Sorry, Casey. I don't mean to. Make you spit your coffee out, but I mean, I don't know. Oh, has he? Oh, okay. I don't know. I've forgotten reading. Yeah, right. Didn't know that. Well, you know me, Kat. I forget. If I do these, I forget the readings. I don't. Yeah, I honestly don't remember. Well, this is gonna be for a reason then. Yeah. Yes, guys. Chels is from New Zealand. I don't know if you guys remember back in August, I actually stayed in New Zealand. That's where I was. I was at Chels's house. I stayed there. She's from South Auckland, Rewa. No, I'm kidding. I don't know where she's from. No, I do know where she's from. She's actually a gangster, believe it or not. She knows Scribe and the Decepticons. You should have heard her when she came and fucking picked me up from the from the airport. She had the music on. She's like yelling out, "How many fools you know roll like this? Not many, if any." That's why I'm not Ben Barrington. That's right. I'm far better looking than Ben Barrington. Nah, it's not true. He's a good looking dude. Yeah, so I feel like there's going to be a reason why your father has come through. All right? There's a reason why, Kat, your father has come through. I live about 15 minutes from your sister. Which one? Which sister? I've got hundreds of the fuckers. Which one? I've got fucking heaps of them. My parents didn't know what TV was or contraception. I think they were allergic to contraception. That's terrible. I shouldn't say that. You've needed him lately. That's why. Oh, because I've needed him lately. No. I mean, yeah. Okay, that's fair. Yep. You have, but no, I think there's another reason. Sorry. How many siblings do I have? 9. 9 siblings. Make sure you write that down. Write that down. Has 9 siblings. Fuck, I love it. It's just I don't know. I'm in a. Yeah. Hey, that's not much, eh? Jim, that's not many. That's slow. My mum comes from a fucking. What do you mean? Let's see. Let's see what? You want to see all my siblings? I don't fucking have them here. Oh, anyway, hey, did she get back to me about where she lives near my sister? I'm from WA, and you said you have one in Secret Harbour. Oh yeah, I've got one in Secret Harbour. Yeah, I do. That's right. I have one in Secret Harbour, and I don't know where the other one is. So one of them's gone back. I don't know where she is though. She's in WA. She's probably fucking Baldivis or something. you know, or cockburn. My night's going really good, Foxy. It's going great. It's going great. Kat, there is a woman, female, feminine, Sheila. There is a feminine, okay, who has possibly been struck down with illness or could be feeling slightly under the weather. Okay. Is that resonating with you, Kat? Also to the WA mum. So I've actually got a friend who lives in Baldivis right now. Like, I know her. Like, I fucking proper know her. But I'm not going to say her name because she probably doesn't want me to tell everyone that I know her. Proper no. She's a good chick. She's a good girl. I think she's about my age, actually. She looks fucking young though, bitch. No, not like that. I know her, but not like that. Could have. Once upon a time. Yeah, still alive. That's what I'm getting at, Kat. Someone, a female who's still alive that was struck down with, or could have been quite ill recently. Or they might still be a little bit ill, you know. Oh, wow, I think a bit of lolly was still sitting in my throat. I might have inhaled it. Oh, well, my number's up, you know, could be time. Someone may have she could have a, wow, okay, chew my food properly. It might have been stuck to my tongue ring, Aries. It might have been a little tiny piece that was stuck to my tongue ring. But thanks, Mum. Death by for Joa Lolly. Yum. Death by for Joa Lolly. Did Mum have a, or does she have an existing condition now? I'm so sorry to ask you these questions, but I just feel like this could be your mum, and I feel like that there's something that she's not telling you. Or maybe you do know. But, yeah, there's definitely... Yes, I aspirated on my aspirations. Does anybody else like this goddess moon that with the pentacle in the middle? How fucking nice is it? It's pretty, isn't it? I like it. It's very nice. She had bowel cancer a few years ago. Don't know if it's back or not. Okay. I think it might be an idea to maybe have a chat with her. Yeah, no. Or to even go and get her to go to the doctors. Does your mum have like silvery hair now, Kat? Does your mum have like silver hair now? You know, like old lady hair? Is that her? I think I'm pretty, yeah. Thank you, Giovanna. I do think I'm pretty. Very light blonde, okay, yeah. So that's like platinum, almost like platinum, Kat. Because that's what I'm seeing. I get confused with the, you know, I'm not a hairstylist. I haven't had hair for many years, you know. I've been like this, you know, solar panelled fucking sex machine for a long time. Yes, I have a strong feeling that your mum may need to just go and get her body examined and, you know, stuff. Yeah. All right? Mate, you just, I could be wrong. I could be. For your sake, I hope I am. And for your mum's sake. Fuck, these lollies are good. I'm sorry, I'm going to keep going because they're actually really nice lollies. Hey, Jem. Are you in Australia or New Zealand? Aries Witchery. Are you in Australia, like right now? Australia or New Zealand? Look what I've got. Haha. Got a whole box of them. Haha. I know that's a dog move. I know that is a dog move to rub it in like that. But anyway, I'm only doing it because I can. And because I know you got a pretty fucking wicked sense of humour. You watch. She'll probably put a fucking spell on me tonight. See? Don't choke. Wow. 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 Wow, look at that. All of you manifesting. Don't choke. Bullshit. Choke. Well, Kat, this is why I'm telling you now. Get your mum to go to the doctors and get checked up. All right? It could really be the difference. Okay? Blame it on me. Blame it on me. Just say, Mum, this crazy wannabe psychic dude. Exactly. This crazy wannabe psychic medium dude, was channeling Dad and fucking the D dog or whatever his name was, and he said you should go get yourself checked out. Thank you. I like the hoodie too. And just say, he was guessing that you were sick. They're fucking good lollies, eh? Hey, Jem, when I go to NZ again, did you want me to get you some bags of the fucking Macy's? I'll do that for you. I fucking don't even know ya, but I'll do that because I'm a decent fellow like that. I'll get like 5 bags or something, and I'll post it down to you when I come back from NZ when I go over again. You and I'm gonna say you Mister. You just can enjoy them. Why should I get to enjoy all of the fruits of what New Zealand has to offer? Rena, I'm actually eating a Feijoa sour lolly. They're fucking beautiful. They're so good. Sorry, I'm just trying to read something that was written down. Can't quite make it out. Oh, Bella wants a fucking bag of lollies too. That'd be right. That'd be right. Thank you for the roses, Bella. I appreciate you. Thank you. You don't need to, but I appreciate it. If anybody wants a private reading, go to the bio. I've got a reading at 11 o'clock, so don't book that one. Don't book 11. I'll just bump you back. I haven't got the box activated. I want to sit alone. No offense. Even Chels, who's always with me, she's in the comments. She knows. Chels knows what's going on. I just want to sit alone. Asked, are you okay, Rams? Your energy seems a bit off. That's because it is. Because I want to be alone. Try the Fajal smoothie. Fuck yeah, alright. What are my thoughts on Geminis? You don't want me to say what my thoughts are on Geminis. I am not saying what my thoughts are on Geminis. Fuck no. Smoothie was one Colin was talking about. Oh, right. No, you don't. I still can't figure out what my sister's spirit is up to, though. You can't figure out what your sister's spirit's up to? Really? Kat, do you have something to do with her car? Is that who you are? You have something to do with her vehicle? I actually can't remember what your fucking connection is to. She is tripping me up again. Ah, it is. You are. You're that person. Fuck yeah. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, because she just told me. She showed me the car. Thank you. All right. Okay. Got to say. Have you been letting your fucking house go? Wherever you're living? Have you been letting it go? You've been sort of like sliding into a bit of a depression? Not wanting, you've got no motivation, you're quite sort of like apathetic, lethargic, you know, really fucking slipping. Oh, hi, Christine. Fuck. I don't know how I didn't see you. I'm shocking. I can't believe I didn't even see you. I'm so fucking terrible. I just look, I get so focused on the one name that I'm looking for. My health is not good. Asthma playing out. Okay. No. I actually, no, I'm sorry, Kat. She's showing me that there's like, you're really uninterested. You're uninterested around the house. Hi, Janine. How are you? Why, thank you, Aries. I appreciate that. Hong Kim, thank you very much. Yes. She's definitely seeing that you are fucking uninterested. And she is also showing you having a disagreement, exchange of words with a male who, the energy that I get from this, what I'm seeing and feeling from this discussion is, you can fuck off now. Does that, I don't know what that is. I don't actually know. But that's what I'm getting. I'm getting a, you can fuck off now. As though you almost pretty much told someone to fuck off. Did you tell someone to fuck off? Okay. Obviously not yet, Jay, but when I'm finished, I might see how I go. There you go. There you go. My husband and myself are not good. Thank you. No, I was in the energy and I asked my friends, it's like it's in the atmosphere. No, that's about your husband. Okay, cool. All right, so that's about your husband. Yeah. Kat, your husband has been noticing your lack of motivation and has actually been a bit of a dick about it. Correct? Rather than show concern and go, hey, listen, I've noticed you've been a bit flat lately. Do you think maybe we can schedule a visit to the doc or the psych or something, and maybe you just need to talk to someone? Instead of doing that, he's been a dick about it. He's been more along the lines of, you're a fucking lazy shit, mate. You don't do anything. Like it's been quite, not helpful. Sorry if that upsets you. Not sorry. Yeah, blames you for everything. Doesn't want to talk, but blames you for everything. Yeah. Kat, did you get injured? Did you get injured? And that's why you struggle, because you actually have a almost like a permanent injury. Yeah, and it's almost like a permanent injury. Kat, are you thinking about playing? Have you been thinking about touching the cards? These ones, Have you been thinking about playing with the cards? No harm. I'm just. It's because I saw you doing something, and it looked like you were doing something along that sort of like that spiritual, magic sort of energetic, I think you and I might. Yep. I think you and I. Well, it's your sister that's the one that's telling me. Your sister. Your dad's not telling me this. Your sister's the one that's telling me. That's why. So, I think you and I might have a chat at one stage. It's entirely up to you. Well, I don't know when, because I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to be busy for the next 6 days. From tomorrow, I've got like at least 1 or 2 readings, but I've got nothing in the afternoon. Oh, have a good sleep. Have a good sleep, Mel. Good night, darling. Give Tim a reach around for me, will you? Yeah, he'll appreciate that. Yeah. Yes. So trust me, Mel. He will. Let's go. This is from Rams. No, don't say it like that. That's fucking creepy. That's super creepy. Thank you for the rose. I appreciate that, Jay. You don't need to do that, though. I truly believe that you are being called to something better. I'm off to get ready, mate. Yep. Stay good. Oh, yeah. I'm all good, bro. I'm all good. It's okay. I just need to get some stuff off my chest sometimes. Yeah, it's a tad creepy, but he'll appreciate it. It's true. Yeah, that's about it for you, Kat. You're being pushed in a different direction, mate. Different direction. I think yeah, he does. I think you need to start paying attention, Kat. You're being told something, and your sister's trying to fucking tell you, and she's putting it all in front of you. All right. She's putting all of the signs and opportunities in front of you, and you're not looking. You're not looking. You're distracted. You are distracted by something else. Start looking. All right. All right.